pay for my matcha green tea and I forgot to pay for it. We about walked out. Anyways, we just got the rental car right there. Hey, this is our actual last checkup for the OB. So Penelope can be coming out anytime now. We just finished the OB appointment and she has another scheduled appointment. We thought this was going to be our last appointment. They're saying that her cervix hasn't started opening up yet. I don't know how long that will take, the baby to start making its way down. So we're just wrapping up our lunch here at MCM Restaurant. We're just going to kind of go around Eureka City to pick up some things. Anyways, just want to update you guys on what's going on with our checkups. Getting more movies.
Lakas, gumising ka? Tutulog ka na ako, sige. Ay, bakit ka nasa taas tapos sa baba? Hindi ko na maintindihan, babay. Dili lang, Wala pala dito, Arnold. Yung Barbing bala. Manood tayo? Sige. Wait, ano bang favorite ko ditong panoodin? Ano ba to? Mamimili lang tayo kung ano to. Ano ba siya? Ay, gusto ko ito panoodin. Goodbye.
So we just drove all the way up to past Divino Rostro Barangay and we're going to try to walk up the rest of the way. So there's actually people like right around here picking sweet potatoes. The sweet potatoes here are really, really good. There's like a volcano like right there. That's pretty cool. Today is going to be an exciting day today. Arlene and I were taking her nieces to the movies today. And I know for some of you, going to the movies is not that exciting, but the thing is, they've never been to the movies before, so it's going to be a very, very special day for them.
Alternating fire. Get that back and you're going as long as you have. But we're going to push through. Come on, guys. Today we're going to make sure to just do the best that you can do. You do it. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, mask out.
Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows.
Are you guys ready to go to the SM Cinema?
Yes, cinema. Hi.
We made it into the hotel room. So we just checked into the hotel, so now we're on our way to SM Naga. You ready for the movie?
Yes.
Okay. After this, we're going to the movie. Is that fun, guys?
Yes.
That's so much fun. Let's go. Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir. Are we ready? We are ready. So we just finished getting out of the movie, so we watched Johnny English, and it was a funny movie, right? Right now we're eating at Greenwich. We're gonna have some pizza and some lasagna. We're having a good time. This is Lake Buhi, and it looks kind of cool. It's kind of cloudy right now, but it's really nice. Right here.